Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be taking one more important topic from 5th standard intelligence test, that is IT. Okay, the name of that topic is position in queue. Many students had asked me to upload a video on this topic, so I am doing it today. Okay, let's begin straight away with the questions because there is nothing specific to teach. Like formula है कुछ है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Every sum is going to be different. So let us begin. Okay. Read this sum properly. In a garden there are as many rows as there are trees in each row. If there are 20 trees in each row, how many trees are there in this garden? See students, in these type of questions when the wording is as many trees, as many rows, rows भी same है और trees in each row also are same. In this kind of wording, your answer is very easy to arrive at. You just have to take this 20 trees. See, जितने rows है उतने ही trees each row में है. And they are saying this 20 trees in each row. So obviously there are 20 rows also. So answer is here. Your job is to just take this number, उसका square करो 400. This is the answer. You don't have to do anything else. ये पूरा जो लिखा है उसका मतलब ही है कि take this number और उसका square करो. Because जितने rows है, suppose there are 3 rows और each row में 3 ही trees है. ये ट्री है, ये ट्री है, ये ट्री है, ये इधर ये. So how many trees in all? 9. How did we arrive at this? 3 in square. 3 rows, 3 square. Okay? You can try it with 5 also. Your answer will be 5 square. So this way there are 20 trees in each row. So obviously there are 20 rows. So 20 into 20 will give you the total number of trees, 400. So in this kind of question, you just have to take this number और उसका square करो. Your answer will be ready. Isn't it easy? And very interesting, isn't it? Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Abdul is at the 13th place in the queue. There are 5 persons between Abdul and Wilson. Wilson is the middle person. How many persons are there in the queue? I have given options also in this sum. Okay, see, Abdul है. A for Abdul. He is 13 in the queue. They have not mentioned whether from the beginning or whether from the end. When nothing is mentioned, you have to take it from the beginning. 13th place पे है, right? So there must be 12 people here. So that's why he is 13, right? Wilson और अब्दुल के बीच में 6 people are there. Sorry, 5 people are there. So Wilson इधर भी हो सकता है और उधर भी हो सकता है. First we will try this side. Wilson is here. There are 5 people. See, I will draw again. See, Abdul थोड़ा ये side लेते हैं. Abdul इधर 13th है, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 people must be before him. Now Abdul और Wilson के बीच में 5 लोग हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. और विल्सन इधर होगा. 5 बीच में आनी चाहिए. सो उसका रैंक कितना होगा? पोजीशन कितनी है? काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. सो विल्सन की पोजीशन इज 7 हियर. बट वी डोंट नो वेदर अब्दुल के राइट साइड में विल्सन है कि लेफ्ट. ये तो पॉसिबिलिटी हम लोगों ने की है. अभी ए इधर लिखती हूँ 13. ये तो 13 है ही, स्टार्टिंग से 13 है. ये भी है और ये भी है. अभी विल्सन ये साइड में होगा. अगर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 बीच में हो गया और विल्सन इधर आ गया, तो विल्सन का रैंक फ्रॉम दिस बिगिनिंग विल बी हाउ मच? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 और ये 19. सो विल्सन का पोजीशन इन दिस केस इट इज 7, इन दिस केस इट इज 19. Please be careful because they have not mentioned whether Wilson is in the right side of Abdul or left. So we have to take both the probabilities That's why the answers are like this or this or this, like that. Okay. So here one thing is sure, Abdul is 13 from here. So ये 13 है और दोनों के बीच में 5 है, वो भी कंफर्म है. So 5 लोग इधर आ गए तो विल्सन इधर आएगा. तो विल्सन will be 7 from beginning. This is one probability. Other one is again ये 13, 5 वो साइड और ये 19 हो जाएगा. Now we are making use of this sentence. Wilson is the middle person. When you know the middle person, you can find out the total people or persons in that queue. Wilson middle वाला है. अगर ये 7वां है तो इधर भी 6 होंगे और उधर भी 6 होंगे. That's why he is in the middle. Same this side, that side. और ये 7th है मतलब इधर 6. So इधर 6 है मतलब इधर भी 6. So how many total people? 6 plus ये last वाला 6 और ये plus 1 Wilson. ये 6 में अब्दुल included है. We are not concerned with Abdul when we are calculating total people or persons. See, we are making use of only Wilson because Wilson middle वाला है और middle वाला help करता है total persons निकालने के लिए. तो अगर ये 7 है मतलब इधर 6 और बाद में भी 6. So total people कितने हो गए? 6 plus 6 और ये 1. Not 7 ना? This is one person. 7 position पे Wilson 1. So how many people? 13 people. ये probability में again I am forgetting about this. I am concentrating only on Wilson. Wilson अगर 19 है, so इधर भी 18 रहेंगे और उधर भी 18 रहेंगे. So how many total people? 18 plus 18 और ये plus 1 Wilson 37. So it can be 13 or 37. Answer is fourth one. This has happened only because they have not mentioned whether Wilson is in the right side or left side of Abdul. So we have to give them both the probabilities. Answers, options will be like this only. Okay students, this is nothing great. We stand in the queue in the school or at the ticket counter and we know how to count people. But when it comes to problems, we get confused. Don't do that. Think about both the possibilities. Think about first possibility, arrive at the answer. Second possibility, arrive at the answer. And both the answers will be there in the option. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, first read this sum. Okay? In a garland, there are 11 red flowers followed by the yellow flowers 4 times the number of red flowers. What is the serial number of the middle flower? Okay, red कितने हैं? 11. Yellow कितने हैं? 4 times the number of red flowers. So 11 into 4, that is 44. Total flowers कितने हो गए? 55. Right? Total flowers are 55. How to find out the middle one? Remember students, when you have the total, add 1 to it. 56. मिडिल कैसे ढूंढना है? टोटल ले लो, उसमें 1 ऐड करो. 56. 56 का हाफ डिवाइड बाय 2. आंसर इज 28. So 28 is the middle flower. 28 is the answer. So easy. When you know the total, just divide it, make it half, divide by 2. So 28. That will be the middle flower. So answer is 28 here. Similar sum is this. 2 parallel rows of trees are standing at the 2 edges of a road. If the middle tree corresponds to the 50th place, how many trees are there? Road is there. दोनों साइड पे trees है और middle वाला tree जो है that is 50th. How many total trees are there? First concentrate only on one side. अगर मिडिल वाला 50 है, सो इधर 49, इधर भी 49. ये तो वो बीच में कैसे आएगा? दोनों तरफ सेम रहेंगे ना. ये 50 है मतलब ये मिला मुझे 49, ये मिला तो ये मिला. ओके, सो टोटल ट्रीज कितने हो गए? 49 प्लस 49 और ये प्लस मिडिल वाला ट्री. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Don't just add 49 plus 49. Middle वाला है. Okay. So answer is 99, right? Answer is 99. So one side पे 99 है. So other side पे also 99. So total trees will be 99 into 2. 198 is the answer. Middle वाला 50. So पहले 49, बाद में 49. Total is 49, 49, 1. Addition is 99. 99 will be there as one of the option. In a hurry, students choose that. Don't do that because total trees both the sides. So 99, 99. 198 is the answer. Okay. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, first read this sum. If the electric poles are erected at 60 meter distance on 1.5 kilometer long road on both the sides, how many poles will be erected? Okay. 60 मीटर डिस्टेंस है पोल, दो पोल के बीच में. पूरा जो रोड है वो 1.5 किलोमीटर है और दोनों साइड्स पे कितने पोल्स इरेक्ट कर सकते हैं वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. रोड इज 1.5 kilometer. First convert this into meter. How can we do that? 1.5 into 1000. So my decimal will move to the right by 3 places. So 1500 will be my answer. See 1.5 इधर है ना, तो 3 jumps 1 2 3 और ये इधर आएगा. So ये दोनों मैं 0 से fill up करूँगी. Right? That's how it has come to 1500 meters. इतना रोड है. Now see, this is a road. 1500 मीटर वाला रोड है. अभी इधर एक पोल आएगा, इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा और ये डिस्टेंस है 60 मीटर, 60 मीटर like that. Okay? Now what are we doing? We are dividing this road 60, 60, 60, 60 and एक एक पोल डालते जा रहे हैं हम लोग. Right? So we need to divide 1500 divided by 60. If you want, you can remove this 10. 6 2s are 12. ये 0 आ गया इधर. 6 5s are 30. 0. So 25 poles. But remember, this is the point when majority of the students make mistake. Please be careful. Students, this 25 poles start from this second one because ये जो आगे वाला डिस्टेंस है ये पोल का है. ये डिस्टेंस है ये पोल का है. So distance in front, how you stand for the PT like that here? So you are responsible for this distance. जो आगे वाला बच्चा है उसको ऐसा पकड़ के हम लोग खड़े रहते हैं. Right? So I am responsible for जो डिस्टेंस मेरे आगे है. So ये जो आगे वाला डिस्टेंस है ये पोल का है. ये आगे वाला डिस्टेंस ये पोल का है. तो what about this pole? उसको तो आगे हम लोगों ने कुछ दिया ही नहीं है. So that pole is not part of this calculation. So after we do the calculation, we have to straight away add that pole. So 26 poles can be erected on one side, not 25. Be careful. So दोनों साइड का पूछा है तो 26 into 2, 52 poles can be erected. Please be careful here. Okay, go to the next one. On a 300 meter long highway, street lights are standing each at a distance of 15 meter. How many street lights are there? Similar question. Highway कितना है? 30 मीटर, right? Sorry, 300 मीटर. Okay, इतना हाईवे है. और इधर both sides नहीं बोला है. Nothing has been mentioned, so you have to calculate only for one side. और each इसका ये हाईवे हो गया अपना 300 मीटर का, right? और ये इधर स्ट्रीट लाइट, ये पहला वाला आ गया, दूसरा आ गया, तीसरा आ गया, चौथा आ गया. और ये डिस्टेंस है कितना? 15 मीटर. Similar, both are similar. 15 मीटर. 15 meter like that. So we need to divide 300 by 15. So कितना आ गया? ये 0, don't forget to give it here. ओके, सो 20। बट सिमिलरली ये फर्स्ट वन को हम लोगों ने कुछ दिया ही नहीं, पार्ट ऑफ दैट हाईवे। हाईवे तो इधर से स्टार्ट हुआ है और ये दूसरे वाले को दिया है, सो पहला वाला यू हैव टू जस्ट ऐड। सो आंसर इज 21 and not 20. 20 will be there as one of the option. Please don't select it. And in this case, if they would have asked both the sides, then our answer would have been 21 into 2, 42. But इधर कुछ mention नहीं किया है like this. So it is only they are concerned with one side. So 21. Okay, students, first read this. 43 vehicles are parked in an order: jeep, motor car, auto rickshaw, cycle, followed by the same order again up to the end. Which vehicle appears at the 26th position? Students, remember, in this kind of sum, this number is important and not this. This 43 is of no use to us because they want us to find out 26th position पे कौन सा vehicle है. See, first jeep है, उसके बाद motor car, auto rickshaw, cycle. Again jeep, motor car, auto rickshaw, cycle. Same order. Okay, so चार का group है वो. Okay, so how many types of vehicles? 4. Jeep, motor car, auto rickshaw, cycle. 4. So your job is to just divide this 26 by 4. 26 place पे this will differ. Your method will remain 26 के बजाय they may ask 36. That's it. Only that much. But your method, that in this case this will be 36. बस. So 24. Here quotient is of no use. What is important is remainder. 2. So again वो order पे जाए. दूसरा वाला कौन सा है vehicle? Jeep, motor car. So second one is motor car because this is second. So second वाला. अगर third होता तो auto rickshaw होता. Okay? Motor car is the answer. So easy. Just one division and we have got our answer with the help of remainder, isn't it? Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Students, read the next sum. 40 soldiers are standing in a row at a distance of 2 meters each. What is the distance between the 12th and the 23rd soldier? 12 और 23rd के बीच में. So we need to minus 12 from this 23. Answer is 11. 11 soldiers keeping 2 meters each distance. So obviously the answer will be 22 meters. So easy. Just one small subtraction and very simple multiplication has given us 2 marks, isn't it? Okay students, as far as this particular topic is concerned, each sum will be different. It will be simple, it will be very simple concept, but each and every sum will be different. Okay, so with this we are through with this important and interesting chapter. Okay students, if you enjoy my videos, then don't forget to like them, share them with more and more people. Okay, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it as soon as possible. Okay, so that you can enjoy all my videos. Okay, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Students, study well, and most importantly, yes, you all know that, enjoy studying. Bye.